How to book an MST or a QST, that is the season tickets, you on the Indian Railways using the UTS mobile application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this particular tutorial I will be showing you the exact steps of how you can get a season ticket using the UTS mobile application for both Android and iOS devices. So the steps are identical for both of them, and in order to book or get a season ticket for Indian Railways, the first thing that you will need to download is the UTS mobile application. So you can download the UTS mobile application from the Google Play Store. Simply open the Play Store and search for UTS. So once you have searched for UTS, you need to download this particular application by Center for Railways Information Systems. And once the application will be downloaded and installed onto your device, you can simply open it, and once the application opens up, you will be greeted with an interface like this. Now in this particular screen you can see the seasons ticket section over here at the right side. So simply click onto the season ticket and you have two options. The first one is paperless and the another one is paper. So if you want a hassle-free experience, you can go for the paperless option as well. So once you will choose the paperless option, it says use show ticket option on mobile is the travel authority. So in this you have two options. You can either issue a new ticket or renew a ticket. So in order to issue a new ticket, you can click onto this issue ticket option, and from here you need to select the source and the destination station. So let's first select the source station. So once I will select the source station, I will then proceed on to select the destination station. So here you can see I have selected the destination station as well. Then I will need to click onto this submit button and it will process my request, and now you can see it has fetched me two routes. So as you can see, between these two stations there are two routes. So from here I can choose any of these two routes. So let's say if I choose with the first route, it will fetch all of the fare, and then from here, before the fare calculation, I need to enter some more details like the train type that I would like. I can choose between a mail express or an ordinary train, the class type which is second class, and then from here I can choose if I want it to be an MST or a QST. So if I want the duration to be monthly, that means I will be able to travel between these two stations for free up till a month, or I can choose it quarterly, half yearly, or a yearly as well. So let's choose monthly. This means for up to a month, 1 month, I will have unlimited travel between these two particular stations in second sitting. And then you will need to enter your date of birth, your gender, and apart from that you need to also select the government issued ID card and type in the iCard number, and then you will need to select the payment type. So you can select the R wallet, or you may also pay using debit card, credit card, UPI or net banking as well. And then from here you will need to enter your address, and after filling your address you need to click onto this get fare button in order to receive the particular amount which will be required for issuing this particular season ticket. And then all you will need to do is maybe log in if you haven't logged in your account, and make the payment. And once your payment will be received, you will be issued a season ticket using which you can travel unlimited times between two particular stations. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.